Folds of Honor, they raise money to help send kids of fallen soldiers to school. They help pay for their tuition. They also help widows and wounded warriors. They help their families, their children. They helped me and all my siblings pay for our tuition to go to the schools that we went to as well.
North and South Carolina is our #1 recipient area in the country. This past year, we were able to provide more than $3.1 million in scholarships to the spouses and children because of events like today.
Well, the Myrtle Beach community is very veteran orientated. A lot of retired veterans here, a lot of patriots, and you don't have to really get too excited to get people to show up. When they hear about something with the flag, the Folds of Honor, veterans, they show up.
Gil Dudreau, who puts it together, is a wonderful person who spends his entire year getting this event ready, and the prizes and the, just the day in general. It's heartwarming. And, if you don't walk out of here with a sense of pride for not only our country and the sacrifice that so many have made, well, I would be shocked. You have to come out and play. You have to support a Folds event near you and just get out and enjoy.